My name is Cristian Felipe Gonzalez. I am 27 years old. I am from Pitalito. I like like my brother. I am a pharmacist. I am studying art management. My hobby is listening to music. My my favorite TV show is Paper House, and my favorite sport is soccer. I come from a small family. There are 5 people in my family. My brother Freddy lives in Pitalito. He is a teacher. I look like my dad. My brother enjoys playing sports, pero I prefer reading and watching movies. My sister likes staying at home and cooking, but I prefer gardening and outdoor activities. We both have brown eyes and fair hair. I am very different from my mom. She is talkative and doesn't like to wait for anything, but I am very shy and patient. We always have dinner together at the weekend. Sometimes we go away for the weekend. I live near my brother's who will meet for coffee every week. Thank you.